Hi viewers, welcome to our channel Easy Tips for Learners. Today we are going to learn about question tags. Have you heard about question tags? Sometimes when we ask questions, we require only short answers, either yes or no. For example, did you have your breakfast in the morning? Yes, I had. Have you completed your work? Yes, I have. So these are short responses. For short questions, short responses. So when you ask these questions, you may need a tag to it. What are question tags? Let us see some examples of question tags. Did you? Can she? Is it? Didn't he? Wasn't he? Does he? Is he? Have you? Had they? Could they? Was there? Should they? Has he? And so on. So these are question tags added on to a question framework. These are short additions to sentences asking for agreement or confirmation. So sometimes when you ask a negative question, you need to add a positive tag. For example, you didn't see him, did you? So here in this sentence, you didn't see him is a negative statement, but you add a positive tag, did you? So always a negative statement will have a positive question tag. Look at the next example. Anne can't swim. Can she? So here also you give a statement that Anne can't swim, but you have a question tag, positive question tag, can she? Now look at the next example. That isn't Jim, is it? So this is also an example of negative statement added with a positive question tag. After affirmative statements, we use the negative interrogative. Can we see some examples? Peter helped you, didn't he? So here you have a positive statement, Peter helped you. But you add a negative question tag, didn't he? So the affirmative statements, that is the positive statements, are tagged with negative interrogative. Mary was there, wasn't she? So you have the affirmative statement, Mary was there, which sounds positive, but you add a negative question tag, that is negative interrogative, wasn't she? Let us look at some more examples. Peter doesn't smoke, does he? So now, negative statement with a positive question tag. Sarah isn't studying music, is she? Negative statement and a positive question tag. James wasn't driving the car, was he? So these are examples of negative statements with a positive question tag. They couldn't understand him, could they? So the answer for all these questions would be yes or no. For example, there wasn't enough time. Was there? For this question, what would be the answer? Either it would be yes, there wasn't enough time, or no, there was time. Kindly note that statements containing words such as neither, no, none, no one, nobody, nothing, scarcely, barely, hardly, hardly ever, seldom are treated as negative statements and followed by an ordinary interrogative tag. For example, no salt is allowed, is it? Nothing was said, was it? She hardly ever goes to parties, does she? Let us see some more about the question tags. When the subject of the sentence is anybody, anyone, no one, nobody, none, or neither, we use the pronoun they as subject of the tag. Can we learn some examples? I don't suppose anyone will volunteer, will they? So here the subject of the sentence is anyone and the tag used will be they. No one would object, would they? Let's look at one more example. Neither of them complained, did they? So here neither is the subject and the question tag is they. Stay tuned for some more about the question tags. Thank you.